This video will help you create an AI bot that will recommend products for you and allow customers to check out within chat. It can assist on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and on your website. And you can start selling even if you don't have your website. To create AI chatbot or AI call agent for 24/7 call support, check the link for tutorial in description, also for e-commerce setup documentation. Once you have connected OpenAI, added your business information and FAQs, all you have to do is create or import products without creating flows and coding. To import products, you can click Import and download template and upload once you have the database. And to add products, click on Add. Add the product name. Add short or long detail about product. Add the price you want to charge. Add tax amount if you want to charge, or if you want to show discounted price. To add image of product, you can either add image address link or upload JPEG. If you want to track your product inventory, you can use this option, which will limit product shopping or allow still to purchase even if it's out of stock. This option allows to add variants if this product comes in multiple versions, like different sizes or colors. Let's add one. We will add color option to test it. You can also set different pricing for each variant. If you want to offer add-on with this product, you can select product that you have created as add-on. Tag is the important part, as bot uses user intent and recommend products which has this tag keyword. Let's use the product information and add it as a keyword. To make a multilingual chatbot, add the keyword in that particular language, and whenever it is mentioned, it will detect and recommend it for you. You can add products in category. This helps in web shop link to show products and list of categories, which we will check later in video to know how to set up. You can check the documentation link in description. You can select this option if you want this product to be searchable inside the bot or not. You can also select to add request when this product is added in card. This usually helps for customized products or restaurants. If this particular product is for add-on for another product, then you can select this option. Click Save once finalized. You can import products from Facebook by connecting your Facebook business account, and it will import automatically into e-commerce section. If you have connected your Instagram, Facebook, or WhatsApp, it will automatically be searchable on those channels. Now let's test it out on web chat. You can customize web chat how you want. Copy the link and paste to test it. Send message to get response from AI. It can also respond in preferred language. At any point of conversation, it can detect user intent and recommend products for you. User can even ask for products by sending voice note, and it will still be able to detect it for you. Customers can easily add products to cart within chat and select the product quantity. Customer can also view to explore more products you offer. Customer can also view details about the product and view more related pictures. With the help of product variants, we created it easy for customers to customize shopping, and you can set different pricing for each variant. Customers can easily view the cost order details and can also view all the products that they have added to the cart and can edit to add more or remove products from the cart. And customers can easily check out within the chat and fill in details like name, email, home address, phone number, zip code, and also you can add the option to give discounts by giving the promo code. And they can also choose whether to pay by card or cash on delivery. An order receipt is instantly shared in chat to your customers where they can see all the details of their orders. It can send auto-abandoned cart message to your customers when purchased is not made. Now let's check the order made by customer in the dashboard, where you view order details and send order updates. You can also view the conversation and can assign this particular conversation to your team. Let me show you how you can send order updates and send personalized message. You can also view all the data in Analytics page where you can view sales amount, customers, channels, etc. If you offer variety of products, then Webshop is the best option to go for. Let's create a flow that we can send to our customers. Add this custom field link. Publish the flow and let's test it out. This is a dedicated e-commerce page for your business that shows all of your products, which can be viewed in categories and subcategories, and you can customize the product card. And that's how you can customize product card view. Now let's create our AI trigger. Whenever it detects user intent that are looking for our products, that can automatically recommend this flow where they can view all of our products. This is where you mention what this trigger is supposed to do. Select the flow you want to send when this trigger is activated. Now select the trigger to connect it with OpenAI and add a prompt to mention when this needs to be triggered. Let's test it out in web chat to see if it detects the user intent and it sends us the flow. You can either send a voice note or send a text. It will still understand. As you can see, it has shared the flow by understanding the intent. Now we will use the link and proceed to check out. Just to show you how it works, and it will still send the receipt in chat. This is where you can see all of your products. This section shows all of your new, pending, or completed orders. This is where you can create coupons. You can generate coupons and apply for every order. You can set percentage for discount or fixed amount, or give free shipping. You can either set it for a particular product category, or purchase amount or quantity items, or limit how many times it can be used. This is where you can add your vendor's information. This section allows you to add products into categories and subcategories. E-commerce settings allows you to customize your web shop in many different ways. You can select when you want to allow customers to shop, customize how you want to show the web shop, set different office timings. You can select if you want your products to be searched in chat also, send the abandoned cart message, set how you want to view the products. You can allow customers to rate products, etc. Set different payment methods, the currency you want to show, also if you want to charge any fees. Select the option for your customers to deliver directly, or they can pick it from your store, or they can select any both options. Add your company address, countries you deliver, set different delivery charge based on location. You can use existing checkout page or create your own checkout page. or you can use a flow for checkout. Set minimum order value for customers to purchase online. You can select what information you want to collect from customer and save it. If you want to change the default settings, then you can do it by selecting the flow that you have created, and it will trigger once that particular action is performed. And that is how you create an e-commerce chatbot without any coding or any technical experience.